Hello and welcome back to another coding video. What we're doing today is I actually want to copy over the assets from different tile sets over to the final mission one. And the first problem you have with that is that you actually need to copy over the assets because the game can only draw the assets from one tile set at a time. We need to copy it over. So here we go. The first thing is I copied over all the assets I need: carrier, ground, props, railing, floor walls, and everything else. Then I copied it over into an empty folder. This is just an empty folder which I use for working. I created a folder in there which is called Final Mission, and these are all the assets we need. The next thing I did was opening all the files in the Sublime text editor. I opened them up all here by, for instance, going in here and then looking for the spectra, then selecting all the spectra and then opening them. I did that for every folder. And now we have all the files open. The next thing we want to look at is what do we actually need to change. So basically we copied over the assets and they are working mostly. They are mostly working, but the only thing which is not working is that the image file directory is not correct. They are looking for the image in the UFO folder, and this is what the game cannot do. If you start the final mission, then the image needs to be in the final mission folder. So what we have to do is to change the source of the image. And if you want to do that manually with your hand, you can do that, but this is a great method to actually do this. In Sublime Text, we are going to search all the files for exactly this string. Let me show you. As you can see, source equals apostrophe tiles UFO only is free. It's like it exists only 3 times in every file, and there is no string which matches it which should not get changed. So we have a perfect match here. And if you want to change it every file, you can do it like this. Find what, replace with, or you can find in files and you can actually replace it in every single file this way. Let's go ahead and do this. As you can see, there are about 2,000 files and we have 5,831 occurrences. And if you multiply 1,952 times 3, we got 5,856. So it's very close. As you can see, it's very close to triple the amount. It's a bit lower because some of the files don't have images for the destroyed state, which is totally fine. So yeah, this basically tells us that the search was correct. There are free image source for every file, and then that we made the correct prediction. Okay, let's gonna replace it. Now that takes a bit. Okay, as you can see, everything has been replaced. From source tiles UFO, we now have source tiles final mission, and it has done this for for every file there is. You can see tiles final mission, tiles final mission, tiles final mission, and so on and so on and so on. So the next thing we're going to do is save all. And now everything is saved. And we just edited 2,000 files in like 4 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Now we're gonna close all of them. Which also needs some time. Okay, here we go. The next thing I want to do is actually copy over the alien base assets, all of them, and I'm going to do exactly the same. I've already done that here into another folder. These are all the alien base assets. And what I've also done is I've carefully gone through all the mods which changes alien base assets and copied them over into this folder, so that the mods that override the assets from the vanilla game are included in this pack, so that we have basically the most updated versions of everything. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to open file and mission 2, and I'm going to end on walls, and I'm just looking for the spectra, and then I'm going to copy in everything I need. And I'll just continue with this, and I can easily and fast replace thousands and thousands of files at the same time, because I'm only searching for spectra. And yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this showed you something, and see you next time.